So have you ever been trying to use continuity camera with your Mac laptop and you were trying to do like a live stream or a Zoom call or some important thing where you needed a camera? You did not have a tripod. You only had your camera. You know your camera connects to your laptop. You just don't know how to connect it. Well, the solution could be the newer SP08. It is an awesome device, and we're going to show you how that can help solve your content creation problems using this device. What this can do is help you get that. It's MagSafe. And so it basically connects to your iPhone. And let me get the iPhone here. And there is a magnet here that just clicks on, and it will hold that iPhone to your device. And it has so many different configurations. You can get a precise, look at that, it stands up. You can just get precise angles to shoot any content using this MagSafe magnet on this newer SP08. It's just amazing. And it is a very strong magnet, so you don't have to worry about it coming off. You can put it anywhere and use that camera to do all of those important video calls and so forth. It's going to take you far, your content creation journey, trust me. There's so many things you can do with it. It's so amazing. Look at this. You can even use this as a selfie stick. So you can just straighten it all the way out like this. And look at this. So you can just use it as a selfie stick and get some footage. And I'm going to open up my camera here, and I'll show you what the footage looks like. So as you can see, this is directly from the selfie stick with the SP08, and you can see what this footage looks like. This is amazing. This is going to really change the game. And this little small device, it doesn't cost a whole lot of money, but it's going to take your content creation journey to new heights. I'm telling you, this is something that's going to really help your content creation game. All right, that's it. That's the quick little review of the newer SP08.